nipa boni sementino mu party people no mo wo a bit is like Ampaw. I mean, when you compare me to Kissi Agyebeng, he is nowhere near me in terms of age. Kissi Agyebeng about 8 or 9. In terms of legal, prowess, I was called to about 2000. Kissi Agyebeng was in 2003. To be a lawyer, I could be defense or call law school. When it comes to cases, Kissi Agyebeng 3 cases, 2 cases were high court, but not to form. Circuit court, not to form. Into me, 3 cases, I mean, Kissi Agyebeng me defeating. When it comes to party loyalty, they will be way ahead of Kissi Agyebeng. When it comes to protecting the constitution and the NPP party, I'm ahead. But Gabby Mutho, because I'm not known to them.
Mimwa kwaba eba Skeleton Man TV. So Skeleton Man TV ana wushi. Se we your first timer any abomodia subscribe. Mia notification is so send anytime bia ye di video betumu no won some sabekan when ye bia share ushevia comment fa ho kire wa dwen efa video no ho busia like video no na share emo bia so enya bi hwe medasi bebre abusia lawyer Maurice Ampaw abusiafo wo fire ankasa lawyer Maurice Ampaw say da wo hu say Nana Akufo Addo former president wo appointed Kissi Agyebeng say onkoye special prosecutor no osisa da no ana hu say MPP for omahye omho akonfo abusiafo omadu omho eyeden eko opposition o say sa lawyer Kissi Agyebeng no abusiafo e ba law no mu a oye lawyer de but abusia woni experience chese wonya de ba kokora oso ono lawyer Maurice Ampaw no ono mom ananka e wo say President Nana Akufo Addo or appointed no say onkoye OSP no but okohu say Kissi Agyebeng ana ye boni din say onkoye special prosecutor no say sa da no die MPP for who say oma momeni anyede ana hokra no bremi Gabby Okyere Darko say eye Gabby Okyere mom anoye den o pushi ya say Nana do beden obe appoint Kissi Agyebeng Gabby Okyere anoye ne ho ohinta duachi e pushi Nana do ma ne ye den eko appoint Kissi Agyebeng to no de o si MPP for omoa anaye den eko hye omho akonfo o si eba experience a o bi channel because no ba honum no ye friend 2000 and Kissi Agyebeng ye friend 2003 it was no all practice law no na Kissi Agyebeng no ye den o school mu a o sua de and ha face no na share court several times ebusuafo chese wo twa na timpre ankasa chese cases on ni share e bia no bo ne fimfram enti esidan ana o musa ne ho ekofa Kissi Agyebeng say o meye the special prosecutor ebusia lawyer Maurice Ampaw me say war fire it mu de mo bianko nienko tie no.
Let me deal with Kissi Agyebeng. Kissi Agyebeng ere fi say MPP Nana do ye na dom na appointing no so be special prosecutor no na Kissi Agyebeng embre yo Kissi Agyebeng ambre wo MPP mu ye hu ni modern body contribution omo mo bre wo MPP mu their contribution ye mu bi wa from 2012 we started in 2023 we fought for the party 2016 ura ye mu bi play here media we are taking on people among for slow Captain Smart we need them efieso Kevin Taylor mo the work that we did na Kissi Agyebeng baby or to London and okoye the law no London me law no me local boy me law no Mokola Kissi Agyebeng the law no London He was a London boy. Oba Ghana and so Kissi Agyebeng Gabby be a MPP. He was not the party boy. He was be a MPP. Kissi Agyebeng that I know. Tiny Chambers. Not the boys. And then now for no. The boys. Now for the Bini go for drum. You flow me to the bar at the 2002 203. Kissi Agyebeng Gabby. Me a friend to the bar 2000. Kissi Agyebeng the classmates in the bar group here go for drum. Kissi Agyebeng Gabby no ko di anasichi. No ni anas ye movement. And ye womu ye exposure na omaje crash omo. Ni the blackmail kofo with kweku bako. And they blackmailing judges. They blackmailing way. They expose way. Now Kissi Agyebeng was benefiting for Anas. Exposes. He didn't care. To the extent say Anas is going back over yi na Kissi to work kana. Na Kissi Agyebeng was supporting Anas. Sad expose implicating Nanado. Tebani saying is such a personality. Nanado I mistake one. And that mistake, Mama has refused to continue. Mama mo catch her and say, we should not do family and friends appointments. My mama, na appointment oh they are family, friends, and party people. What do all those who supported him 2016 to 2024? Basantele munya everybody push. Majority of them have benefited. Mama say now go for Lawyer Ampaw. Ememano special prosecutor. But Nanado MP4 class. Nipa do a bua Nanado 20 MPP for buy no. Na ba power no. Ni tete ho. Ye di ko pay Matiami Dua. Oye MPP NDC ni mapa. What we say abeye for they say deputy attorney general. Then Nanado to the regular of the Council of States. Omushia with party people. Economity Matiamidu. Eja party people no. Sensitive to position like special prosecutor. Other prosecuting cases involving more politicians. Who confirm what transfer? Ebe transfer on prosecutor. Matiamidu buy no or prosecutor no me basically we in New York say we a serpent. You can say serpent of corruption, mother of all corruption. No, only serpent. No. The Akufo Addo led government didn't learn. Matiamidu obi ansaki no. Odi nejuma to ho no. Then yan kofa obi. Number replacing Matiamidu. The party didn't sit down to say yeah, Pobi abe replacing Matiamidu. Ni Matiamidu aye nti yempa fempe party person. Ni akofa Kissi Agyebeng na Gabby Okyere Darko. Na me ne tshoneka. No be ko se tshoneka sa Gabby Okyere Darko. Eni koku bako. Ni po bonisem no. Mu party people no mo wo ho. Bit is Lawyer Ampaw. I mean when you compare me to Kissi Agyebeng, he is nowhere near me in terms of age. Kissi Agyebeng about 8 or 9. In terms of legal prowess, I was called to about 2000. Kissi Agyebeng was friend in 2003. The be a lawyer na Kissi Agyebeng defense or call law school. When it comes to cases, Kissi Agyebeng 3 cases. 2 cases were high court, but not to form. Circuit court, me not to form. Into me, 3 cases. I mean, Kissi Agyebeng no, me defeating no. When it comes to party loyalty, they will be way ahead of Kissi Agyebeng. When it comes to protecting the constitution and the NPP party. I'm ahead. But Gabby Mutio, because I'm not known to them. The few Achimafias, no, Echo fuck Kissi Agyebeng. And another also made a mistake. That day that fuck Kissi Agyebeng, me told him say, MPP, I don't know. Because you don't learn from your mistakes. Matiami do one to Kissi Agyebeng. And when Kissi Agyebeng was sitting there, no, I know Kissi Agyebeng say one, or you're empty. Or you're beer, Nekasa Dorso, or you say, or you're good practitioner. When I did cases with Kissi Agyebeng, or you're beer, or you're emotional person, or ego, or genuity, or mohe. And or you'll be say, or a very vindictive Kissi Agyebeng. I've done 3 cases with Kissi Agyebeng, I know. And who introduced Kissi Agyebeng? Now this boy came to office. Mucha me one prosecution be our year against your opponent. No. Kissi Agyebeng took over Reno. Nobody in NDC committed a crime. President Mamba Crano, government official one called Cleno. Kissi Agyebeng all of a sudden became the enemy of MPP and Ghanaians. And to me, I never say, and never buying a lose power. He's now paying you back time as if he has an issue. And if you look at the way issue declare, even NPP, NDC, I tell you now, will not even do that. A pure NDC appointee will not do what Kissi Agyebeng is doing. We say Ayarigamo, their posture, I will not do so. President Mahama and all the appointees of NDC, they are measured. And this small boy, Kissi Agyebeng, is messing up. And many people say he will line up most of the big week in and past government no to come and answer to show you where power lies. And the Kissi Agyebeng there, the lessons I've been learning is say, please don't appoint your enemies. Be fair to everybody. Eti Gabby Okyere Darko ene boku bako. Me kasi dem be twamuka. But maketua no nsusuaso musuban fona mudi say MPP party e opposition no ene Kissi Agyebeng. Enti yemu bi die Kissi Agyebeng osroyan because take lampa. Munka de Kissi Agyebeng say on to be show be 101. Was me shade in here. He can't even look at my face. Because he didn't anymore. And I mean MPP and this government no move anymore. I'm too free. But the lessons are you show what Babomuni say. So be you here. Munkai. Enti the name mama. Maybe say me want to subon. Because mama kai say some jefi mo bread. Wakai say and now young boys in the brand 1.2 million on my bread and it's rewarding them. Ochemo line no MPP for there Jimmy Sa for the Jimmy Sa rule of law na Jimmy na the rule of law Jimmy the rule of law Jimmy NDC MPP ni be boy MPP ni awon mo ano. And I'm going to landing opposition. But lessons they say, Mama will never appoint the enemy into his government. But then I'm going to that damo and our family and friends government. Oh no, Mama, no friends, no. Oh, Mama appoint no. So far, who is the enemy there? Nobody. If you were appointing him as they say an appointment, no. I didn't say a lot of the MPs in Yejuman yet. Party for be air complaining say being so much here. But Mama have shown the way. So at least he will listen. and do the right thing.
What obusia any lawyer Maurice Ampaw ana ebusuafo motene nka no ne nsɛm a wɔde agu hɔ yi ɛdeɛn ana wɔka fa ho comment section hɔnom ne kyerɛ w'adwen ɛfa ne nsɛm no ho hanom ɛyɛ Skeleton Man TV me see a tough mu a yɛde bɛbrɛ wo nti sɛ wɔyɛ your first time mu a ɛne ɛbɔmmɔden a subscribe mmea notification ne so click on no send your video bia yɛde bɛtom no won't so sabe can one ye be a sure me dasi bebre.